Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Persons. Now I will display some exclusive, outstanding, festive, special silk sarees collections only for you. Some are Banaras soft silk, brocade silk and Kanchipuram silk sarees collections. So let me display. For more collections, please visit our showroom at Kolkata. All over India, we have free delivery, cash on delivery also available. And this one is very beautiful one, soft Banaras soft silk with bright red shade, red maroon shade with all over traditional weaving design work and very soft material, lightweight. And this one border portions fully traditional fine weaving design worked border and very soft material, lightweight, bright red shade Banaras soft silk, all over fine zari stripes and all over traditional Banarasi design work and very heavy work but very soft material, lightweight, all over work. And pallu portions beautiful fine traditional Banarasi design, heavy worked pallu, heavy work but soft one and very lightweight, comfortable. Running blouse piece also brocade heavy work, Banarasi work and all over traditional Banarasi design and body fitted bright looks best for your festive wear. And this is the silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your exclusive looks. And next one same material, premium bright royal blue shade, premium quality Banaras soft silk material, all over fine traditional Banarasi design work. This one is full base part, all over fine weaving work all over base. And this one is border portions zari with threaded weaving design work, highlighted border, fine weaving design and very soft material, heavy work but soft one, bright looks best for your festive wear. Banaras soft silk traditional looks. This one pallu portions fully fine zari weaving design, heavy worked pallu, heavy work but very soft material, lightweight, all over work. Running blouse piece also heavy brocade work, brocade Banarasi work, running blouse piece. And this silk material, digital printed silk brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. Beautiful one, very soft material, soft silk with brocade work, soft brocade silk, very exclusive looks and golden shade, golden zari weaving traditional Banarasi border and all over brocade work and very soft material, lightweight, bright looks, all over brocade design work, brocade silk. And this one pallu portions fully fine weaving design, brocade worked pallu and very soft material. And running blouse piece also same brocade design work, running blouse piece and all over heavy weaving work all over saree, brocade design. And this one is border portions, soft border, traditional fine weaving design worked border and very soft material, lightweight, comfortable, bright looks, golden base, brocade work. And is this silk material, heavy silk brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And next one silver and golden contrast look, soft silk brocade work, brocade silk and beautiful color combinations traditional looks, all over brocade design work and very soft material, broad border, wide border but soft zari. And this one is border portions, traditional golden border, very soft one and all over brocade design, silver base, all over brocade work all over saree. Very beautiful one, bright gorgeous looks. And pallu portions fully fine weaving design worked pallu. This one is pallu end weaving design, brocade weaving design pallu end. Running blouse piece also same weaving work, all over silver base with traditional golden border and very soft body fitted. And this is this silk material, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Beautiful color combination, soft one, Banaras soft silk, elegant color combinations all over, fine weaving design work all over base, very bright looks This one is full base part, so Banaras soft silk and traditional fine weaving border design all over, buta work, soft, lightweight, bright, elegant looks. This one full base part, all over weaving buta work with fine design work, very exclusive, elegant look, soft soft material, lightweight, pure Banaras soft silk, and pallu portions, highlighted fine weaving design worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, very nice looks. Running blouse piece, also plain with border running blouse piece, all over weaving buta work, and this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And beautiful color combinations, bright royal blue shade, premium quality, pure Banaras soft silk, and fully silver saree, weaving heavy work all over base, very bright looks. This one is border portions, fully silver base with fine traditional weaving Banaras design work, border all over buta work, fully silver saree, weaving heavy worked buta, nice color combinations, royal blue shade. And this one, pallu portions, fully fine silver saree, weaving heavy worked pallu, pure Banaras soft silk, all over traditional design, running blouse piece, also brocade work, and all over buta design, and highlighted fine contrast color threaded weaving border. And this is the silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, bright red shade, Kanjivaram silk, all over traditional brocade work, all over saree, bright reddish maroon shade with all over weaving design work. This one, full base part, all over heavy weaving brocade work, Kanjivaram silk. And this one, border portions, contrast outline with beautiful weaving design, traditional worked zari weaving worked border, all over brocade design, very bright looks, based for your festive wear, party wear, wedding functions. Running blouse piece, this one, running blouse piece, plain with traditional border, weaving border design, very soft material, lightweight, and pallu portions, contrast color with fine weaving design worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, fully zari weaving design worked, Kanjivaram silk, traditional weaving border design, bright red shade, all over heavy brocade work. And this is the silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. And next one, same material, Kanjivaram silk, traditional red contrast border, all over brocade work, very fresh bright looks. This one is full base part, all over heavy brocade design work, Kanjivaram silk with all over traditional brocade design, and border portions, contrast color with fine weaving design, traditional border, all over heavy work, very bright beautiful looks. This one is all over brocade work, heavy work but soft material, body fitted, easy drapable, and pallu portions, fully contrast color with fine weaving design worked pallu. Bright gorgeous looks, based for your festive wear, party wear, running blouse piece, contrast color, and all over heavy brocade work with traditional border. And this is the silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And next one, very beautiful one, soft silk, Banaras soft silk with heavy brocade work, all over saree, very nice one, dark purple shade, all over heavy fine weaving threaded weaving design, brocade work all over saree, and border portions, fine traditional weaving design worked border but very soft material, all over heavy work, Banaras soft silk with traditional design. All over heavy weaving design and very soft, lightweight, bright looks, and pallu portions, fully fine weaving design worked pallu, Banaras soft silk with all over brocade work, and running blouse piece also, fully heavy worked running blouse piece, and all over heavy traditional design work. And this is the silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And next one, nice color combinations, brocade silk, soft Banaras brocade silk with all over traditional design work, very bright one, green shade, all over brocade work, traditional border, very exclusive bright looks, based for your festive wear, party wear. This one is border portions, contrast color with heavy traditional design worked border but very soft material, lightweight, all over heavy design work, very bright gorgeous looks, based for your wedding functions, party wear. Running blouse piece. This one is pallu portions also heavy brocade work, pallu design. Contrast color border all over, fine brocade design work. Running blouse piece also same heavy brocade work. Running blouse piece very bright, gorgeous looks. Nice color combinations, and it is the silk material weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful looks. And next one, nice color combinations, same material brocade soft silk all over, traditional brocade design all over base. Nice color combination. This one is full base part all over, traditional brocade design work all over. Sorry, very soft material, lightweight. This one is border portions, contrast color with fine weaving design worked border all over, heavy work but very soft material, lightweight, bright, gorgeous looks. Brocade saree. And pallu portions fine weaving design worked pallu. This one is pallu portions all over, heavy brocade design worked. Soft, lightweight, easy drapable and fully weaving design. Running blouse piece also brocade work, running blouse piece. And it is the silk material grey set with brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Same material soft silk with traditional brocade work all over base, magenta fresh pink shaded, very bright beautiful looks. This one is full base part, soft Banaras soft silk all over, heavy traditional brocade design work all over saree, bright color combinations. This one pallu portions fully fine weaving design worked pallu, heavy brocade work but very soft material, body fitted, lightweight. Running blouse piece also brocade design. And this one full base part all over, heavy traditional brocade design work all over base, contrast color baby pink border with fine weaving traditional design and all over saree brocade work but very soft material, lightweight. And it is this silk material heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. And next one very nice color combinations, Banaras soft silk with fine weaving design work, traditional work all over base and border also. This one very lightweight, comfortable, dark color combination, dark maroon shade, wine maroon. And this one full base is beautiful fine weaving design work, Banaras weaving design work all over base and very soft one, lightweight. And border portions dark bottle green shade with fine traditional weaving design worked border, heavy work but very soft material, lightweight, body fitted. This one full base. And pallu portions fully contrast color with fine traditional Banarasi brocade design worked pallu. This one is pallu portions very soft, lightweight, elegant looks, wine maroon shade all over, weaving design work, traditional border, very bright looks. Running blouse piece also brocade work, running blouse piece. And this silk material brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. And next one nice color combination, same pattern, same material, Banaras soft silk, contrast color border and traditional fine weaving design work, very soft, lightweight, based for your festive wear, party wear. This one border portions, contrast color border with fine weaving design, heavy worked border and all over weaving work all over base, stripes and buta pattern weaving design all over saree. And pallu portions contrast color pallu with fine weaving design and all over base weaving work, very bright gorgeous looks and very soft material. Running blouse piece also heavy brocade work, running blouse piece and all over weaving stripes design and very soft, lightweight. And it pushes this silk material ikat brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And today I have got a beautiful bright color saree, Kanjivaram silk, traditional border. This one is border portions fully traditional fine weaving design border and pallu and all over buta work, very bright beautiful gorgeous looks, beautiful saree and designer blouse. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. keep browsing our website. Stay healthy, have a good day, take care. Thank you so much.